Hello everyone, I am Rutuja More from BA Part 3rd Vivekanand College, Kolhapur. Now we are going to see language variations and its subordinate categories like dialect, register, standard language, style and slangs. So let's start. Before this, let's know about language. Language differentiates us from other beings. The world cannot run without language. Any language, it would be Marathi, Hindi, English, in this world has its own importance in place concerning to itself. Only if language is clear, the communication becomes more clear. So let's know more about the language we learn. Social linguistics. What does it mean? Social linguistics is defined as the study how the people around you and your heritage can change the way you speak. It pays attention to the social aspect of human language. It discusses the relationship between language and society. For example, when we combine Indian languages with English, then it will be Indian English. Okay, so let's move toward language variation. The term language variation refers to regional, social, or contextual differences in the ways that a particular language is used. It means a language variation is the study how languages change time to time, place to place, class to class, and society to society. On the screen, you can see there are four factors which play a very important role in language variations: variation due to gender, variation due to age. So yes, these four are very important element, like gender, age, social class, and geographical. The language variation can be in the form of dialect and register. So let's know about dialect. Variety of a particular language. Dialect is a variety of particular language which is used by particular group of speakers, that is signaled by systematic markers such as syntactical, phonological, grammatical markers, then correlates with the social factors. Dialects of languages Dialects of language correlates with the social factors such as socio-economic status, age, occupation of the speaker, and then different ways of saying the same thing. Yes, dialects are different ways of saying the same thing. They reflect social structure like class, gender, origin. In a nutshell, we can say that dialects related with spoken. Dialect is a type of language that is spoken by a particular region or group of people. For example, pronunciation of the word caramel. You may pronounce it differently than other, like caramel or caramel. So this is kind of dialect. Okay, so let's know about standard language. A standard language is a variety of language that is used by government in the media, in school, and for international communication. So let's know its characteristics. So it is regarded as more correct and socially acceptable than other varieties. It is the variety of used by the educated members such as students, professionals, the media, etc. Third one is it is acceptable since the variety defined in dictionaries, grammars, and usage guides. It is usually used in written form than spoken, and it confers greater social prestige than non-standard varieties, which are felt to be indicative of the less educated. Okay, so let's move towards style. The term style refers to a language variety that is divided based on speech or a speaking situation into formal and informal style. We can speak very formally. Our choice of the style is governed by circumstances. Based on the criterion, Martin Jones recognized the speech into frozen, formal, consultative, casual, and intimate style. So let's know about frozen style. A frozen style is used in public speaking before a large audience. Wording is carefully planned in advance. Intonation is somewhat exaggerated and numerous rhetoric devices are appropriate. Okay, second one is formal style. A formal style is also used in addressing audiences, usually audience too large to permit effective interchange between speaker and hearers. Though the form are normally not as polished as those in frozen style, a typical university classroom lecture is often carried out in formal style. Okay, so third one is consultative style. This style is typically a dialogue, though formal enough that words are chosen with some care. Business transactions, doctor patient conversation, and the like are consultative in nature. Fourth one is casual style. Casual conversations are between friends or colleagues or sometimes number of a family. In this context, word need not be guard and social barrier are moderately low. Okay, and fifth one is intimate style. An intimate style is one characterized by complete absence of social inhibitions. Talk with family, loved ones, and a very close friend, where you tend to reveal your inner self, is usually in an intimate style. Okay, so move toward on slang. Slang is vocabulary that usually used in people who have the same social group and who know each other very well. This is informal language that some people use in speaking rather than writing. Slang normally refers to particular word and meaning but can conclude longer expression and idiom. For example, on the screen you can see OMG means oh my god and so on. Okay, so now we are going to see register. Variation of language according to the use. Yes, register is the variation of language according to the use. It means that where the language is used as means of communication for certain purpose. It depends entirely on the domain of language used. Okay, second one is determined by use a situation or context. Register refers to a variation of a language that is determined by use a situation or context. Ways of saying different things. Yes, register are ways of saying different things. They reflect social process like speciality contexts, then content areas and specific activities. In a nutshell, we can say that register related with situation is a variety of language used for particular communicative situation. For example, the language differences when talking with PM, Prime Minister, and when talking with friends. Okay, let me clear that. Imagine that you are going to be introduced to a very important person who you have never met before. Maybe it is the Prime Minister. When you meet him, would you say, "Hey dude, what's up?" Probably not. You would say something more formal. Whereas when you talk with your friend, you would be more informal, using dude and WhatsApp and all. So the language you use when talking to your friends is not the same language you would use when meeting someone as important as Prime Minister. So this difference in language formality is called register. I hope it is a little bit easy to understand. Okay, then let's know about the subfield of register like frozen, formal, consultative, casual, and intimate. Okay, so frozen register. This form is sometimes called the static register because it refers to historic language or communication that is intent to remain unchanged, like a constitution or a prayer, for example, in the Bible and the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, second one is formal register. The formal register is used in professional, academic, or legal setting where communication is expected to be uh, respectful, and interpreted and restrained. Slang is never used in contractions are rare. For example, a business presentation. Okay, then third one is consultative registration register. People use this register often in a conversation when they are speaking with someone who has specialized knowledge or who is offering advice. Slang is sometimes used. People may pause or interrupt one another. For example, a service provide like a plumber or the local TV news broadcast. Okay, so the fourth one is casual register. This is the register people use when they are with friends, close friends, and co-workers and family. For example, a birthday party. And last one is intimate register. Linguistics say this register is served for social, especially occasion or usually between only two people and often in private. For example, the joke between two colleagues, a friend, and a word whispered in a lover's ear. Okay, so let's move toward on conclusion. Yes, we have discussed how languages change time to time, place to place, and society to society in language variation. We saw dialect, register, slang, then standard language as a language variation, how they work, and dialect are varieties of language according to the users of language, and register are varieties of that language according to the uses of that language. Okay, so in short, a dialect is a linguistic system defined according to the individual who use it, and a register is a linguistic system defined according to the purpose or context of its use. So yes, thank you so much.